and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about double stops. I'm going to start with a very easy rules of how to think when you play double stops. So if you're a new beginner, these exercises that will come after are going to be very difficult for you. That's why I'm urging you to wait until I make new videos about double stops, which I'm planning to make much easier exercises and more basic rules. But I would like to start just with the simple rules. So number one is how to find a balance between two strings. So I will put my bow on A string, and then I'll try to find a balance between A and E string. And now I'm looking at my bow to see that the hair is equally touching A and E string. And then I'll play. The second rule is not to use much pressure when you play double stops. So many people think that when you play double stop you need to press the bow even more, but that is actually creating even more crash on the sound. There are so many different exercises for double stops that I found it very difficult to be systematic with these exercises and just use them for everyday or like weekly practice. But then I stumbled upon a viola and violin teacher called Roland Weymouth, and I started to use his exercises, and I find them very good for me because they're training you dynamically, and they're also training the intonation, the flexibility, and the independence of your fingers, and also your strength. There is a slight variation of this exercise which I like to use. You can use it as a party trick if you want. It's 2 against 3. Sounds like this. Next exercise you need to perform twice. So first time you let the fingers stay on the strings and you lift up only the ones that are necessary. And then you do exactly the same exercise but with lifting up the fingers. So I'm going to show you with my hands. And now we're going to lift up the fingers on the same exercise. And then and if you need, exercise this very slow so that you can get the coordination of the fingers. it's really important to keep your thumb and fingers as relaxed as possible. You can experiment with putting the finger closer to the other string or to the previous string or to the next string, and put the finger even flat or more curved. You can think about the wrist, the position of the wrist or the arm, depends on which strings you're playing. So there are a lot of position of the arm that needs to come along with these exercises. And if you practice this at least 5 minutes per day, you see a huge improvement of your technique of playing double stops. Also, you can implement these exercises in your repertoire, playing violin concertos or any other violin literature that you find possible. That was all for today. If you like this video, please push the like button and subscribe for my videos, and in that way you'll get notified when next one is coming. And until then, have a happy practicing, and I will see you in my next video.